Okay, I can feel something down in the hole. That's good. Let's see, let me get this. Yeah. What do we got? What do we got? What's this? Okay. Interesting. I see a little, almost like a little bit of color on it. Probably shouldn't do this, but I'm doing it. We're doing it. I don't think this is very old. And it may not be really much of anything. You really don't know until you get it all cleaned up sometimes. Shouldn't be doing this, but it's probably just junk anyway. I'm saying, hopefully, that I'm not ruining it. I'm not sure. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, cool. Okay, so I was looking at the other side and really, like, I should have been focusing on this right here. I can see writing starting to appear on this side here. Let's give it a good wash. Oh, man. What does it say? Man. Yeah, it okay, has the name of the area on it, so I'm not going to show the whole thing. I don't think this is very old, but I will take it home and clean it fully, and then I'll do a little research on it, and I'll let you all know later in the video if it really is something significant. All right.